Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create your demo account on PU Prime. And that is not that difficult. So first of all, make sure that you verified your account. So you need to be at least a level 2 verified account. So if you go to verification, you can see it just right here that we need the level 2 ID verification, because from now we have the option to go to accounts, select demo accounts, and then from here we click on open account, and now we have the option to create a demo account. So you only get this option if you have that level 2 account verification. Then we do a MetaTrader 5. We want a standard account type. We want the USD. Now you can choose a leverage. So let's say 100:1. Account balance, we want 50K. And now we do submit. Open account, your additional demo account has been set up and you will receive an email with your login details as soon as possible. Right now, if you click here on trade, we can trade with this demo account. So it's seriously that easy. This is exactly how this works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.